Dear traders, trading up here. We're now going to go through the short brief of the market to show you guys the power of the order block strategy comprised by trading up. So first, we've made this small checklist for you guys. First thing you want to do, look at the bigger picture. So when we zoom out, we see there was a high here, we have a high here. And this highest high was taken out by the market. Therefore, that means liquidity there was taken out. Then you can just mark that out by that. Then we usually look for the change of character pattern, which is usually when price does that and then breaks below or above price. And then we look for an order block which caused that to trade from. But in this scenario, we don't really see that. And then you'll wonder, hey, what must we do? Well, then you look at trend line market structure. And if you look here, you've got some form of trend line that is actually here. This actual trend line here, you'll see now when you go in 15 minutes. And if you want even more confirmation, you can look at this area as a resistance level / zone and a reversal chart time pattern going into that area. And followed by this huge decline in market price. And then what we do now is we go to the lower time frame to look for snipe patterns. And now when you go to the lower time frame, that's exactly what we see. Price broke below that the higher time frame trend line, which is showing that price wants to go down. Price also took out previous liquidity before going to the downside. We have a low, a high, a break of structure to the downside. And when price retraces back to that order block, we will look to take a short entry. We will look to target 1:3, 1:5, or 1:10. And then, yeah, that's basically it. So the purpose of this lesson is to show you guys that usually when people don't see a clear break of structure, they're like, nah, this is not going to be a good trade. You need to look deeper into the market and look at the bigger picture. That's very important for you to take note on. Some people will take trades of small things here, somewhere here. Some people take a sell here. Maybe 1 minute is showing a sell there. Clearly the market went into this bearish, well, bullish breaker block. But people here, they will be looking for sell because maybe 1 minute or whatever, or they were looking on a low time frame too much and were showing a sell there. If you look at the bigger picture, this will allow you to see the structure of the market. Overall, we're going uptrend. Maybe areas such as this, etc., areas we look to long from. But what happened here is price took out previous liquidity. We formed a reversal type pattern. 4-hour trend line was broken, which is even looks like a stronger trend line on the 15 minutes. This trend line held 3 times, broken through to the 4th time, while forming a reversal chart type pattern, chalk, which is change of character, or a snipe pattern, it is called in ICT. But you could also use a retail strategy, because this is why these strategies can collide with each other. Because some retail traders could look this as a reversal pennant pattern and then trade this and then trade when price goes back there. You see what I mean? You can combine many types of strategies to see what will work for you. So thank you very much, traders, for listening to this short video. Have a great one.